Once upon a time, there was a noble king. A king not of pride, but of sacrifice. He wore a golden crown, yet his hands were rough, hardened by work. He stood tall before his people, not as a ruler above them, but as a servant among them. He carried the grain with farmers, walked with the villagers, and built the kingdom with his own strength. Under the golden sun, his kingdom thrived, not by power, but by unity. The people cheered, but not for his crown, but for his heart. This is called liberty, a pain not hard, for this people